upfront.com.sg. So we are going to learn how to create an account with a 7-day free trial, right? So once you are at our website, just click on the button that says get your 7-day free trial, and then you'll be sent to this application itself. So this is the actual app already. You would like to create an account, and let's key in your info. So in this case, it's demo2, Jan. All right, and then you click sign up. Now, once you sign up to the account, you'll be redirected to our application page. And the first thing you'll be asked to do will be to install our Chrome extension. So take note that you can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Google Chrome. I mean, they are both okay. So you just click on download extension and you'll be pointed to the download page itself. So if you are using Microsoft Edge, you just click no thanks. If you are using Google Chrome, then you can immediately just download already. So in this case, you would like to click on get, and you would like to add extension to your web browser, and you will see this little icon pop up on your top right hand corner. So over here, right, you want to connect to your LinkedIn account, all right? So click on connect, and you'll be sent to the LinkedIn page. And if you're already signed in, then it is really easy. Just sign into your LinkedIn account and you'll be good to go. All right. So there's a one-time password that I need to key in. And submit. Now, so once you are successfully logged into your LinkedIn account, you'll realize that on the app page, right, you have been directed to the payment page itself. So we have got the monthly plan, quarterly plan, half yearly plan, and of course the yearly plan. And of course, with the longer duration, the price actually goes down. And currently we are running a promo. So this is an early bird promo, and the promo code is given to you directly over here. So let's say if you are using the yearly plan, you just key in A100 subsequently when you got to make payment. If you are using the half yearly, you do the H100. If you are using the quarterly, you use the Q100. Monthly would be M100. So it's really, really easy to remember. Now, let's say you want to use the monthly plan. You just click on start 7-day free trial. Now, this one doesn't require you to key in any credit card information. So if you click on start 7-day free trial, immediately it starts up the application for you. You can see that it says trial subscription created. It goes into this page. This is where you can start managing your campaign. All right. If you go to the bottom left-hand corner over here, you can see that today is counted as 1 day. So you have got 6 days left. You can immediately go premium. If let's say you have enjoyed the software and you don't want the hassle of subsequently having to subscribe again, you can immediately activate your payment over here. But I guess no one will do that, right? So you just go and finish up your 6-7 days of free trial, maximize it, and then when the time comes for payment, just remember key in the promo code. All right. So at this point, you can still choose whether you want monthly, quarterly, yearly, or half yearly. All right. Subsequently, once your free trial is finished, you will not have access to the app anymore. You will have to come to this page, click on Go Premium, and then you select a plan that you like. So let's say, for example, just now I accidentally click half yearly. It comes to this page. So you know the promo code half yearly is H100. You click apply, and you can see immediately the promo code has been applied already. All right. So this is how you use it. Then you key in your information and you'll be good to go. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.